Gary, very happy to welcome you. And because the Fabtech is coming, so can you give us a couple of hints what Fabtech, what's surprising Fanuc will show at Fabtech?
Well, we're pretty excited about Fabtech coming up. We have the collaborative robots that are gaining a lot of buzz. There's new programming techniques. You're part of that excitement that we're anxious to see. So, Fabtech's always a great time to see old friends and new technologies. So, yeah, looking forward to seeing our friends from ABAGY and whatever else is out there.
Thanks to Fanuc, we have an opportunity to demonstrate the adaptive welding solution on our booth. And
yeah, that's right. We have one of our robots and a 2-axis positioner in your booth, right? And you're going to demonstrate it with your...
Absolutely. And we're going to weld, by the way, all day long. So we have already prepared a lot of work pieces.
Oh, okay. That's a big endeavor to handle all the scrap that comes to show when you weld all day long. So
yeah.
But welding is better than simulated welding, so I'm glad you're doing it.
Absolutely. So we're going to do a real welding, so everybody's welcome to witness that. And my question is that when we're talking about adaptive welding, we're talking about the automation of the high mix, low volume segment, which everybody was trying to automate for a decade or so. From the Fanuc's perspective, what do you think? Is it kind of a...
There's a big push and a large growth going on in welding because of the lack of skilled welders and such. So anything that we can do to make welding easier for the customers is a big bonus. So having the ability to do one-off programming or very low volume, high mix programming allows them to automate projects that were never automatable in the past. Those customers were not candidates for robotic welding, and now it's a brand new market for us. It opens up new doors, people we did not have the ability to. Or it's a traditional customer that has a lot of robots and all their high volume stuff is there, and then there's the cats and dogs that they were never able to put robots on those projects. So now we have additional projects at existing customers as well. So this ability to do low volume, high mix parts is very exciting.
When we're talking about the automating of high mix, low volume, do you feel that the customers already have an idea about the strategy of automation, or it's more like they still see it as a absolutely new greenfield and they maybe need some more detailed support how to do the automation overall?
It depends. If it's an existing customer or a large customer that maybe have other forms of automation, they understand the challenges of high mix and low volume and have known historically that there is no easy answer. There's no easy button for that. So they understand automation and they're searching. The more job shop oriented people, they've never looked for robots before, so they're completely in the dark. And so we're opening their eyes by telling them what's available nowadays. And we're approaching people that we never approached before. So we have one is the eye-opening side, and the other is the enlightening side, where I know this has been a problem in the past. Here's the solution to that problem. And, they're happy there too. So it's working both sides.
So that's one of the reasons why everybody should come and look how we welding on the Fabtech. And
that's right.
The last question, the last question to you, Gary. So if you talk about the global trends of robotization or global trends of the robotic welding, where the people need to pay the attention on the Fabtech?
There's been improvements in the robot arms, the robot software, some of the peripheral devices, vision systems are getting more powerful. Your system is a vital part of your system is the vision process. So you know how much that has progressed. So when we couple traditional vision, so we get inspection and part identification and separations to help automate the upstream and the downstream from the welding process. It's just enabling automation to proliferate, across multiple departments. So there will be a lot to see there.
Good. So then we're going to see each other in almost 2 weeks from now.
Right?
Yeah, and we'll be very happy to see you in Atlanta in 2 weeks. Thank you very much, Gary.
Okay, thank you, Alex. Bye-bye.